Hello YouTube, this is your Kuya DIY Paul Abordo, and today we will have a very simple unboxing of the Beuteskin Glem Ice IPL laser. So let us just have this quick unbox. As you can see, it is very secure. As we open the box, we have the following items. These are the freebies. We have the branded pouch. Then we have this ice roller. So let me just open and show you. Nice color, by the way. So I think what you do to this is you place it on a freezer or a chiller. So let us set that one aside. Then we have the warranty card. This is a 1-year warranty. The details. Then we have the aloe vera gel. This is a papaya scented extract. Then another freebie is the Beauteskin Natural Intense Underarm Whitening, which you can use for underarms, elbows, knees, and inner thighs. So this is the box itself. As you can see, it has the detail, the color, and the model. Let us just open this one once again. For safety measure, always be mindful of your surroundings when using your knife or your scissor and when unboxing or opening your packages. So just be careful, everyone. So, as you can see, it is very secure and sealed. It is brand new item. This is the box. So let me just open it for you. It has a magnetic opening. So you are greeted with this warranty card once again. And the manual, it is best and highly suggested that everyone reads the manual of any item before using it. So if you want to see the details, you may pause the video. Another page. If you want, I could email to you a scanned copy of the manual. Just comment and message me here in the YouTube comment section. Here's another page. And last one. That's it for the manual. Now let's go directly to the main item, which is the IPL laser. So as you can see, it is very sealed. So let me open up for you. So we chose the white color. Just a quick inspection. This is the top. This is the main bulb. And the bottom part. And the switch or on button. And some buttons on the side as well. So here are some more. This is the power cable. So I thought the item is rechargeable, but once you will use it, you have to unplug this power cable to the device and to your wall sockets. Then it includes a regular Razer. So let me just open. This is how it looks. Then we have the free eye protector. So every time that you will gonna use this, don't forget to use the eye protector as well. So these are what are included in the Beuteskin Glem Ice IPL laser. I hope you like this simple unboxing, and once again, YouTube, thank you. Subscribe, like, and share.